Left for left, right for
Sam,
right.
I'm walking a horse! Sam!
Focus, Emily.
No! I'm focused. This is so awesome! Go back to that jump. No.
Don't worry, he's not a big jumping horse.
This is so cool!
Years she's been asking me.
This way. Okay, you can go that way if you want.
Nope, make him go which way you want him to go.
This way.
There you go.
Okay, not that way.
He'll move around you. And Boyer and him are good friends, so.
This way. This is so cool. Oh no, this way.
Alright, make him stop. Both hands. Good. Boyd. Alright, I want you to kind of do it, okay? So I want you to take this foot, and you win. I get back and roll it up. And I want you to take it and tap the leg right here, okay? And that's going to put your foot down. You walk around and take like a dog trying to find a good place to lay down. So that's fine, that's normal.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
There's only one.
Alright, do it now.
Hold on to his hair.
It's okay.
Just go off.
You're good? Alright, and leave.
Nice.